Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one website. It's called International Drivers Association. So you can get your international driving permit in 8 minutes. That's what they claim. You can plan smart and explore your dream travel destination with ease. You can rent a car and drive stress-free in 150 plus countries. So they will ask you some questions like where was your license issued? India. Where are you going to? So let's say I'm going to Germany. Okay, so now it will find me the best option. So our international driving permits works in Germany. The accepted formats include a printed digital IDP valid for 1 to 3 years or a digital only IDP along with a valid driver license printed with digital IDP at 5,862. Now this is IDP from ITA. This is local RTO issued IDP. So this is valid in 150 countries adhering to Geneva Convention. This is valid for international travel, but recognition varies by country and may be less seamless. So an IDP is essential in driving abroad. When you're planning to drive on your upcoming trip abroad, get your international driving license, recognized worldwide, and an IDP regulated by United Nations verify your valid driver's license. So this is the pricing varies by different countries. So simple pricing for everyone. So for digital only valid for 3 years, 5,013. Valid for 2 years, this is the price. Valid for 1 year. So now if you want print plus digital, that means they will deliver it at your doorstep. So that will cost around 5,862. So they also have international driving guides, car rental in their platform. Now if I show it to you, they have Albania driving guide, Andorra driving guide. They have different countries driving guide. By different countries name, they have driving guides available. So if I look at Germany, I just have to scroll down and come to Germany driving guide. Then I'll see all those information that I need. Geographic location, languages spoken, government, tourism. Do I need an international drive permit in drive in Germany? Yes, you need. Use driving in Germany hard. All those Germany related information about driving is mentioned there. Now if I am looking for a car for hire in Germany, I can do that too. I can just come in here and say Germany, Munich, pickup date. Okay, then I'll put end date, then I'll say search. So it will take you to a partner website. I think there you will find online car hire with car trawler. So it's searching that website and it will provide me with that information. Okay, you see a lot of cars. So this is your car price for 3 days of the trip. You can choose whatever you want from there. So basically this website will help you get international driving permit in just a click of few buttons. So this is not a sponsored video. I just saw this information across Instagram and other platforms and people were using it. So you can try it out if you want. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.